once you do all the buttons, you cut your plasterboard for the thickness of the button bigger, larger than the steel. Sail it down for that thickness of the button and then fix it into the place using standard plasterboard screws into the button in the web. And then some longer buttons there, but just to show you. Then I'm going to take a button, put it on the underside, fix it from the plasterboard into the button, and then repeat same thing on the other side there, plasterboard and a button fixed to it. That's then my fixing point for board from underneath, from below. And it's going to look something like this. So that's one side done. Just need to put loads more screws in. And then once we do this side, it's going to have a plasterboard again, coming down, pass for the thickness of the button, bottom of the steel, fix the button to it, and then I have nice 2 lengths of button on either edge to fix the bottom piece of plasterboard and the angle beads. And after a bit, it starts looking like this. So more fixings in, both sides done, button on both sides, and we start boarding underside as well. Symbols.